In this training video, I will show you about view statuses on your equipment from the Equipment tab. Okay, so as you can see, we've got our different categories. This could be super long, of course, with many different types of equipment. But we want to view the statuses. So here's an air mover axle fan, and we know that we have 15 available. But we want to check, let's view it, that are available. Okay, so we have, these are the ones that are available. Okay, but we want to change and see other views on it. So for example, let's click on this again and change availability. Let's see what's been set on the axle fan. Okay, so we always have to check off what you want to see. So those are available. Let's see what's been set. Okay, so 4 has been set. Okay, 4 has been set. Let's view them. And we can see right away where they were set at Mr. Stafford's house. 4 of them have been set. All right, and you can see the equipment number as well. Okay, so let's go back. And so let's go check on something else. Let's see, how about air scrubbers? Well, we know we've got 5, so those are fine. But let's check out dehumidifiers. So let's change the availability to, let's see if any have been set. Okay, so nope, 0 have been set, so we don't need to check on that. Are there any inoperable? Let's try that. Yes, 1 is inoperable. So we can see right off the bat 1 is inoperable of this dehumidifier in your make and model, but let's view where it's inoperable. Okay, so it's inoperable and it came off of truck 1. Okay, so that is inoperable. So that's how we're checking the statuses. So let's go back to equipment again, and let's check out power distribution box. Okay, so we see right off the bat for that's available on power distribution boxes, we have 1. Let's change the status. So click on here and let's see, do we have any that are set? And yes, we do have 1 that's set. There's your answer. But let's view it. Where's it set at? So you click on view. Once again, over at Richard Stafford's house, we have 1 that's been set. In other words, 1 power distribution box, make and model CEP 50 amps. There's your prefix PDB, which is power distribution box, and it's number 1. Came off of truck 1. And it's at Richard Stafford's house. It has been set. So, okay, we know what's going on now. So that's how you check different statuses. Basically, you see what you want to check the status of. You might have 100 of these air movers, these axle fan air movers, that is. You might have 100 of centrifugal air movers. But you want to know where they're all at. Or some of them might be set. Some of them might be available. They're not out anywhere, but they're on the truck, whatever truck they're available at, truck 1, truck 2, truck 10. Some of them could be set at different job sites. Some of them could have been loaned out to a different company. Sometimes companies cooperate with each other. I'm a big believer in that. You should cooperate. You can help each other out. Some of those axle fans might be missing, and some might be inoperable. So one other time, so available, okay, so there's 15 showing here, but let's view it, okay, and you can increase the page size, go to 20, and then you can see that all 15 of them are indeed here, and then go back to equipment for your overall view for your different categories. So again, you want to change the status to view them. You change this status and then view what the status is and then see your totals right here. So that's how that works. It's very simple. You just need to work at it a little bit. You'll get the hang of it. It's a very, very good part of the program for managing your inventory. It's invaluable, especially if you have a lot of equipment and a lot of crews. But even with 1 truck, alone, it's fantastic. It will really help you to stay organized and keep track of your inventory and not lose inventory. So an excellent way to mark and classify or manage your inventory. It's really great. I suggest you use this. I really do. Okay, that's how that works. Thank you for watching and much to your success.